Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. I've got an egg roll in a bowl for you today. An egg roll in a bowl. Alright, YouTube family, this is what we need to make that egg roll in a bowl. We need some shredded cabbage, sesame oil, ground beef, some raw ground beef. Don't pre-cook it. Alright, we're going to need some garlic powder, onion powder, crushed red pepper, seasoned salt, sugar, black pepper, and ginger. We need some shredded carrots, some onions chopped fine, soy sauce, white wine, beef broth. Oh no, I always say ain't nothing to it but to do it, so let's get to it. We're going to brown our ground beef. It's the first thing we're going to do. So you're going to brown this, and it's not going to take that long to do it, so we're going to jump right through, we're going to run right through this recipe, all right? Let's not waste any time. Let's get this done. It's really easy, and it's really good. Now we'll add the onions. I'm going to cook these down until they are translucent. Now, if you haven't hit that like or that subscribe button, do so now. Hit that like, subscribe, and that bell for notifications. All right, so in goes our sesame oil. All right, so you can already smell. It's starting to smell like an egg roll, okay? So you're going to stir that up, and now we're going to put all of the spices in here. So everything you've pre-measured, because you should do that. It's going to help you go a lot quicker. The cooking process will go a lot smoother if you measure everything before you start cooking. So you're going to put that in there, and then you're going to stir this very well. All right. So now in goes our chicken broth, the white wine. So stir it, and don't drain it. Don't take anything, because remember that cabbage is going to have to cook. So in goes our shredded cabbage. I'm going to get this mixed up really well. So yeah, the dish is kind of like a little bit greasy. So if you don't like greasy dishes, then this one is probably not for you, or you'll probably drain some after you brown the ground beef. So in go the shredded carrots. And believe it or not, we're almost at the end of this recipe. So I'm going to stir this, and you got to remember that you're going to have to put a top on it. Soy sauce, that's our salt. That is the rest of our seasoning in here. So this is going to bring out the flavors of all the other spices in here. All right, so I'm going to put a top on it. We're going to let this cook for a few minutes. And this is what we'll get. The egg roll in a bowl. Thanks for watching, everybody. See y'all next time. For more great recipes, tips, and ideas, check out some of my other videos.